Most guys chase love like it's a puppy that ran out of the yard. They think that love is something to be earned, to be chased after. So, they do whatever they can to earn and chase that love. But the truth is, you want more than love. What you want is addiction, emotional addiction, psychological addiction, biochemical addiction. Because here's the thing, love fades. Addiction doesn't. Addiction sticks to a woman like a leech. A woman in love flirts with options of men thirsting over her. A woman in addiction doesn't even see them. She can't, because she's too busy obsessing over the emotional high you give her. And here's the kicker. If you're not the source of that high, then someone other man will be. In today's short video, we'll fix that. I'll show you how to make her emotionally addicted to you for good. I'm going to show you how to make a woman emotionally addicted to you beyond love and attraction. In Shogun Method, we call this the path to emotional enslavement. Before anything, you must lay the right foundation. You must pick the right woman. Don't be stupid. If she's emotionally broken, addicted to drama, or thinks that TikTok is therapy, walk away. You don't build castles on landmines. In Shogun Method, I teach a concept I call the profiler matrix. With it, you'll learn how to eliminate the high-risk candidates before deploying Shogun Method. So, take it from me. Find the right woman, one with respect, femininity, and emotional room to grow. Leave damaged goods for other men. Then, begin. Start the conditioning. Start the programming. Start the addiction. And here's how you do it with 7 Shogun Method tactics. The first tactic is to anchor her emotional bliss to you. Ask her what her favorite emotions are. Joy, freedom, euphoria, security. Doesn't matter. Then use her own memories to flood her system with those emotions. Make her relive them. Amplify them. Attach a sensory trigger to that emotion. We call this anchoring. Touch her at the right spot. Say a unique phrase. Do those things at the peak of her emotional high. Every time you trigger it by touching her or saying that phrase, she feels that emotion again. This is what Shoguns call emotional synthesis. You take her peak emotional states and tether them directly to your presence. This way, you'll be the source of her best feelings in life. The second tactic is physical bliss. Give her full body pleasure. Massages, baths, foreplay that feels like a slow burn symphony. Then deliver orgasms that melt her identity. Each climax is a neurochemical leash. Each moan is a deeper level of bonding. She won't even know it's happening, but her nervous system will. It will remember all these sensations and anchor them to you. That's what matters, believe me. Physical bliss is the on-ramp to emotional addiction, leading to the final emotional enslavement stage in the IRAY model. If you want to learn more about the IRAY model, go to iraymodel.com and download a free book. The third tactic is voice addiction. Don't use your normal voice. Create one just for her. Go slower, go deeper. Whisper into her ear with sensual precision. Use it only when she's aroused or emotionally vulnerable. Her brain will pair your voice with pleasure. Soon, all it takes is a few words in that tone, and she'll melt like wax under a flame. This is a form of sensory anchoring, an advanced hypnotic seduction technique. Not for rookies, but devastating when used right. The fourth tactic is jealousy incitement. Women compete through envy, but it's the truth. Make her friends envy her relationship with you. Make her glow in front of them. Then say things like, "I wonder what your friends would think if they knew what I did to you last night." You don't have to flex. She'll do it for you automatically. Hypnotists call this social proof amplification. Social proof overrides a woman's rational thinking like nothing else. Exploiting this flaw in the female psyche is what Shoguns do all day. And the best part is when you do this right, she becomes the broadcaster of your legend. The fifth tactic is the emotional monopolizer. She'll have no other source of joy, period. Not her job, not her friends, not her hobbies. You are her sanctuary and her storm. She comes to you for highs, but when she's low, she needs you even more. That's emotional monopoly. That's emotional addiction. With Shogun Method, you'll rewire her entire emotional ecosystem, so all paths lead back to you. This may sound extreme, but it's entirely necessary. Trust me on this. The sixth tactic is the iron frame. As a shogun, you must be her certainty in a world full of chaos. Support her publicly. Correct her privately. Be the man her father respects, her friends admire, and her soul can't escape. And never ever let her emotions run the show. You lead. She follows. Because that's how women are wired. They want to surrender, but only to a man stronger than them. They need a firm hand to control their chaos. If your frame is not ironclad, she drifts. If your frame doesn't dominate hers, she drifts. And drifting kills attraction. The seventh emotional enslavement tactic is repetition. Emotion is memory. Repeat the emotional spikes. Same voice, same trigger, same touch, over and over again. This is sempiternal. Repeat until her nervous system can't function without your fingerprints on her soul. All the other 6 emotional enslavement tactics rest on the foundation of repetition. Remember, you don't just want love. You want domination, power, control, authority, her subservience. And if that scares you, close this video and go back to Tinder to swipe for worthless skanks. But if that excites you, then you're ready for the next level. You've barely scratched the surface in this short video. Making her emotionally addicted is the first step. But if you want her soul, not just her body, you must master something darker, deeper, and far more powerful. You must master fractionation, the most dangerous Shogun Method tactic ever devised. It's the nuclear core of the enslavement phase inside Shogun Method. And like everything else in Shogun Method, it's not for the average guy. It's for the man who wants control and domination beyond love and romance. If that's you, go to fractionation.org now. There, watch the Shogun Method online masterclass. You'll learn how to make her fall for you, over and over again, until she can't think, breathe, or live without you. If you're ready to transform into the virtuous masculine you must be, do it today. Fractionation.org